Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today we're here to show you how to use the mirror tool in OnShape. As you can see, the mirror tool is a tool that allows you to make reflected copies of geometry. So you can see I'm tweaking my butterfly outline here, and I've got this is a really fun tool to play with because you can create symmetric shapes and forms in any way you want. So to use the mirror tool, I'm going to demonstrate by deleting everything I have here. You can see that I've left my planes visible. You don't need to use the sketch planes to do this. You can use any line to do this, but I'm going to use the sketch planes in this exercise. So the way the tool works is I create some geometry any way you want, and then you come up to the tool ribbon, you'll find the mirror tool. It looks like a pair of backwards L's. Click on that tool and the instructions pop up right on the window for you. So as you can read here, it says select a mirror line. Click, in this case, the vertical axis. And it asks for me to select entities to be mirrored. So I'll go ahead and click my circles that I want to mirror. And if I escape the tool now, you can see that I now have created a mirror copy of the objects. Now I can also mirror in the other direction. So if I choose the mirror tool again, and select a mirror line. So I'll click my mirror line. I use the horizontal line this time. Select entities to be mirrored. It reads at the top. So grab entities there, and here, and here. And I'll escape out of the mirror tool. And you can see now we have some symmetry going in multiple directions. So there you have it. Check it out. It is a fully mirrored design. So in this exercise, just have fun with that. One more thing I want to show you is that you don't have to use the work planes for it. You can use any line that you choose. So for example, if I draw a line here, and then go ahead and draw another shape, grab that mirror tool, again, select the mirror line, select entities to be mirrored, and there you have it. So now, as long as I have a mirror line and entities, we're good to go. So anyway, good luck, have fun, and as always, keep being awesome.